Stacia Creek, I'm outside my listing in Culbertson, Montana. This amazing property was constructed 10 years ago and sits on over 1.7 acres. It has 3 bedrooms on the main floor and 2 full bathrooms with an enormous chef's kitchen. It also has an unfinished upstairs space that you can customize to make your very own, as well as a detached 3-car oversized garage. I cannot wait to show you this property. Let's run inside and take a look.